So welcome back guys to our channel MNC community, and guys today I will gonna show you a trick which looks really awesome, and guys you can fool your spectators every time when you show this trick. So guys, here is the MNC community box. You can have a look. We have already shown it in our video of Tally Ho deck review. You can have a look, it's right here or link in the description. So I'm taking out the Tally Ho red Lindon finish, so keeping this box aside like that. So I am opening this deck, beautiful deck of playing cards. This looks really amazing. So let's start the trick. I'm gonna ask my spectator to shuffle the deck as much time as he likes, so my spectator can give cuts. He can even do pharaoh shuffles or riffle shuffles. Right now I'm not doing riffle shuffles because with a new deck riffle shuffles are a little difficult. That's why I'm not doing riffle shuffles. So now I'm gonna ask my spectator that I will make predictions at the back, and I'm gonna show you afterwards. So guys, here are the two predictions I have taken out. So one is the Queen of Hearts and second is the Ace of Hearts. So I'm keeping them right here. Now I'm gonna ask my spectator that I'm gonna deal the cards just like this, and you have to say stop at any point. So here is my spectator, he can say stop at any point. Stop. Okay, right here I take my first prediction, keep it right over here, the whole deck goes over it. Okay, now for the second time you have to do this. Stop. Okay, right here I take my second prediction right over here. So let's see where our predictions have landed. Let's have a look. Where is our first prediction and where is our second prediction? So let's search for them. So here is my first prediction with the Queen of Hearts discard, and here is my second prediction with the Ace of Hearts discard. So I already predicted that which card you will choosing. You will choosing the soulmate of Queen of Hearts and the Ace of Hearts. So these are the Ace of Diamonds and the Queen of Diamonds. So guys, this was the trick. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's get on to the tutorial. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the performance of this trick. So here's the tutorial. So you have to ask the spectator to shuffle the deck. He can cut the deck as many times as he likes. After the spectator is satisfied by shuffling, what you have to do, you have to ask the spectator that I will make some predictions at the back. So what you are doing, this is a overview. So as you are just going back, you have to memorize the last card and the top card. So in this case it's the 7 of clubs and the 5 of diamonds. So as you are going back, you have to just get the top card, 5 diamonds and 7 of clubs. So you have to take out the soulmate of this card. The 5 of diamonds soulmate is 5 of hearts, and the 7 of clubs soulmate is the 7 of spades. So take out the soulmate as fast as you can. Remember, the spectator should not see what you are doing. Okay, so 7 of spades and for the 5 of hearts. Okay, now you have to place the cards just like this. Okay, now you have to ask the spectator that I will deal cards just like this. Remember the card which is at the bottom. If at the bottom there was 5 of hearts, you have to keep the 5 of hearts like right here where the spectator stop. But in this case there is 7 of clubs at the bottom. Now the spectator can say stop. He says stop right here, and 7 of spades goes over here, and the top 7 of clubs goes. Okay, now for the second time I do it. Spectator can say stop at any point. Stop. Okay, 5 of hearts goes over here, and the 5 of diamonds goes over the top of it. Now the last part is so easy. You can just reveal the cards from the center of the pack. You can just go in the deck and just reveal these cards, and then you can say that I already predicted that you will choose the soulmate of these cards. So I hope guys you enjoyed this trick. Goodbye and thanks for watching.